Okay, so let's look at these first two problems here. We have 3/5 x greater than or equal to 2 over 5. So just like all of the other problems we've been doing, whatever we do to one side of that inequality symbol, we have to do to the other. And also, we're trying to get this guy by himself. So we should be thinking to ourselves, okay, I have multiplication of a fraction. When I divide by a fraction, because I'm going to be dividing to get rid of this 3 over 5, what I'm actually doing is multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 over 3 in order to get this guy to cancel off. And what happens, well, 5's cancel, 3's cancel, leave me with just the x. I did not multiply or divide by a negative number, so my inequality symbol is going to stay the same. And now when I multiply fractions, I just multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times, or 5 times 3 is 15. And now I should check to see if this fraction simplifies, and it does. The numbers 10 and 15, I know that 5 divides into both of those equally. So the 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we wind up with x greater than or equal to 2/3. Now the other one, let's look at this guy. Again, line through the inequality, because whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other. I have t minus 4/5 is less than 1/3. I'm going to add 4/5 to both sides. In order to get these guys to cancel, I will have t. I did not multiply or divide by a negative, so it's going to stay less than. And now I have to be looking for the least common denominator, or the lowest common denominator, of 3 and 5, which is also the least common multiple. So the least common multiple, if I'm looking at the 3, if I go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and for 5, I would go 5, 10, 15. So I got to get both of these to equal 15. That's my goal right now. So here we go. What do we have to do? Well, remember we start with the bottom. I have a 3. I got to get it to a 15, so I'm going to multiply the 3 by 5 and also the top by 5. The 5 to get to 15 has to multiply by 3, so the top also gets multiplied by 3. So when I do this, 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, and there's my common denominator of 15. Now I have 5 plus 12 is 17 over 15. I still got more work I got to do. I have an improper fraction here. Now, normally I would say this is okay, but we should know how to do this. 15 goes into 7 once, so I would do 17 minus 15 times 1, or just 15, and I would find out that I have a 2 left on the top here. So this is 1 and 2 over 15. So t is less than 1 and 2 over 15. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next video. You'll be trying 2 problems on your own. The video will stop, ask you questions. You can check your answers in your work.